everybody. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to pick a master lock. Got a master lock here, a little one. And I got a Dyno Kwick Pick Lock Pick. I gave $19.95 for it. I don't know if you can see it there or not, but it comes with a tensioner here. It's pretty simple to use. You loosen the little end cap up here on it, and it has the little pick that's supposed to slide out real easy here, and like that. And another thing, it makes a clip. You can put it in your shirt pocket there and it won't fall out with this. But this is your tensioner. Take and tighten your cap back down so you don't lose it. And this here little set screw, you loosen it up a little bit and you can slide your rake out here on the end, which is changeable by just taking this cap off, and there's a little set screw inside there. You can pull your rake out and put a different one in, but it only comes with this one style. But all you do is put your tensioner in there, put it on the side that the smooth side of the key would be on, and take your rake and as you can see, it's unlocked there. I'll do it again here, so as you can see, it's locked. It won't fall apart there. Put your tensioner back in. And as you can see, it's unlocked. And you just loosen your screw up here and the rake pops back in, tighten it back up. Stick your tensioner back in there, tighten the end cap up, and like I said, you got your little clip. You can stick it in your pocket, that way you don't lose it. And that's all there is to picking a master lock. Master locks ain't real secure. Some of them's a little harder than what this one is, but any lock pretty much you can pick with a little practice. So don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos, and have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.